Good morning, runners. I'm Pierre from the Asia Trail Master. I'm currently here at the venue or the starting line of the 11th edition of the Punisher Ultra Marathon 2025, which will happen in a bit. In a few hours, the gun start will commence. So we are currently here at the island garden city of Samal, here at the Davao del Norte, Mindanao in the Philippines. So at this race, it is set to be very exciting and challenging, especially that last night the island was poured with a very heavy rainfall, so we were expecting that this is gonna be muddy and very slippery, so it's gonna be an added challenge for all the trail runners. The 80 kilometers will now commence and will start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go! Okay, good luck, runners. See you again at the finish line. 55 hours, man. Ay, dagan doon. First runner to arrive, Aid Station 2, Gadwin Mirar. First women to arrive, Kimberly Flores from Bukidnon. Second runner to arrive, Brix Zamora. Second runner to arrive is Metsi Alson from Iloilo. Third runner to arrive, Shan Aying. Third female runner to arrive, Chris Bundad. First runner to arrive, Gadwin Mirar. This is the kilometer 35. And second runner to arrive here at the Aid Station 4. 1 hour and 6 minutes after Gadwin Mirar arrived here. That's a very big leap, especially for the elite runners. Third runner to arrive here at the Aid Station 4, Brix Zamora. So good afternoon, this is Pierre again from Asia Trail Master, and a few meters away is Gadwin Mirar to the finish line, in which we will hail him as the champion for the 2025 Punisher, the 11th edition.
Gadwin Mirar from Moramag, Bukidnon, 80 km distance. Okay, champion.
Good afternoon. We have here our first female runner from the 80 kilometer category with a time of 13:18. Congratulations, Kim, after that upset from Muspo Bukidnon.